Yeah. All right. So this is waiting for a passenger. So we're at the 4-minute mark. It still drives me nuts. People can't be ready to go. It's 2:30 in the morning, and he said, "Be right out." I'll show you the messages. I say, "I'm here. I've arrived. I'm on the corner. Be right there. Coming from the apartments, the Black Gate, Isaiah." And I can't cancel on him at 5 minutes because now it's 7 minutes. All right, so I see somebody walking towards me. It's a bunch of suitcases. Ugh, the ride from hell, huh? All right, well, let me put my smiley face on and get out of my car and open the trunk. Yeah. All right, I just dropped off Isaiah. Turns out he was a pretty cool guy. Let's see, what time is that? I'm going to accept this. Just got a reserved ride. All right. Where's that? So you never know. He apologized for being late, and everything was great. And we had a nice chat. So you can't judge a book by its cover. Sometimes when people are late, they just have shit to take care of. Yeah. Next.